Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to edit your public profile on Snapchat. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, gotta tap on your Bitmoji right here. Okay, now tap on public profile. Now tap on the pencil icon right here at the top. Now you can go ahead and tap on pencil again to change your profile picture. Okay, as you can see here, it opens up my camera roll. All you have to do is just find a picture to set as your profile picture. Okay, for example, this one right here. Just tap on it. Now wait for it to load. And once it loads, just hit on confirm. You can zoom in or zoom out, just pinch it. Okay, now tap add bio. And maybe I strive to impress myself, like so. Location, if you want to add in your location, you gotta tap on the location option. If not, if you want your follower count to show, okay, for example, if someone visits your public profile, they will be able to see your follower count. For example, right here, I'm gonna enable it. Okay, the follower count will show. Okay, and that is it. Tap on this photo icon right here. Select from your camera roll, maybe this one. Upload. Wait for it. And here you have your wallpaper. Okay, hit on apply. There you have it. That's basically it. That's how you edit your public profile on Snapchat. You can now go ahead and add in your snaps and check your insights right here to check your total followers and total profile views and the post views as well. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.